This question again from Germany. It is prophesied by Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam that the Imam Mahdi will be from among the Persian people. Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salam belongs to a family which went to India from Samarkand. Therefore, he seems to be of Turkish origin. How can we explain it?
First of all, where is that prophecy which says that the Imam Mahdi would be from the Persian people? Oh.
I have no idea.
No, I don't know either. It is an inference drawn from the fact that Hazrat Salman Farsi was said to be the elder or forefather of those from among Imam Mahdi would appear. But at the time when Hazrat Rasulullah mentioned this, Faris was a huge empire which was extended up to the borders of China. So where was the need for the Imam Mahdi to appear right in Iran of today? Persia, as it is called, as it was referred to in old days, was not Iran. As I said, it included all the Mongolian people and people right up to the borders of China. So there is no objection against this.